Do you see him?
No.
He is turning on final. I think you're a bit too close to the...
Yeah.
So extend a bit to the right then. Oh, the aircraft, the other airport is over there. Close by. So this is Poznan.
DM now.
Bartolini 8 Mike X-ray number 1.
Number 1 Bartolini 8 Mike X-ray.
Negative contact. Visual.
He's on the runway for number 1 now.
Temperature is 17, so no need for carpet. I see it on the runway.
I'm doing a low pass, so I don't need flaps.
Yep.
Bartolini 8 Mike X-ray, turn on finals, runway 28 for a low pass.
Bartolini 8 Mike X-ray, wind 230 degrees, 12 knots, runway 28, you're clear for low approach. Next, proceed left, direct Sierra, and report over Sierra.
Clear for a low approach, proceed direct to Sierra, thereafter Bartolini 8 Mike X-ray.
Wind is from the left, pushing a lot.
You just hold that temporarily.
Right.
Yep.
Yep.
500.
Sierra Mike, on the right downwind. Roger, continue, report on final. Continue,